Hi folks, Gerald with SnakeClamp Products. In this video I'd like to demonstrate our iPad and tablet Cobra Clamp. We offer three different attachments for the Cobra Clamp. We have the extra large adjustable mount bracket for iPads and similar tablets, the smartphone mount for your iPhone and other smartphones, and the small adjustable bracket for smaller devices such as a Kindle. The Cobra Clamp comes with a built-in table clamp that will attach to any tabletop or desk with a thickness between 1/4 inch and 2 3/8 inches thick. Now the base unit has a thumb turn here that allows you to disconnect the ratcheted joint and move it a full range of motion. Simply turn the thumb turn to lock it into place. On this end is a locking collar that allows you to rotate in this dimension. This is also ratcheted, and you simply turn the collar to lock that into place. The Cobra Clamp has three aluminum arms about 12 inches long, so it can extend a full 3 feet of reach. Each of the arms both bends and can rotate for full 360-degree positioning. You can pretty much put your device wherever you need it. Both the adjustable small and the extra large adjustable mount are spring-loaded and attached to your device on opposite corners. All of these mounting options have a common connection to the 4-point adapter on the Cobra Clamp, so it's easy to remove one mount and attach the other one for a different use. To attach the mount, simply insert the 4 points into the slots on the back of the mount and slide until it snaps into place. Here's a close-up look at the 4-point adapter. This rotates 360 degrees and tilts up to 90 degrees and has 4 prongs for attaching to the various mounting options. Insert the 4 prongs into the slot and snap to lock it into place. This is the Cobra Clamp from SnakeClamp Products.